Hello folks, what am I doing? Well, seeing as I have these things, I'm going to try to make a sacrificial lamb for this that I can put on here. Basically, stick it on there and then just put it in the drill and round it out. Maybe it'll work. I will probably end up screwing this up and make this another 5 more times. So stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. You'll enjoy me screwing up this crap. So here, I'll just put this right here. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if it's close enough or what. I'll just turn it on anyway. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't even know if I have this in the right way. Is this? I think this should be. Yeah, it should work. It should work. It's in the dirt. I just need a little bit more, so that's done. It would help if I measure it first. So let me measure this thing. So anyway, folks, I didn't put the lathe part, but I made these little things here. Let me turn this on there. Christ, that sucks. So anyway, I made, basically, I got this thing, which allows me to plug these little suckers in here, like so. So I can put it on the grinding wheel and then possibly put it in a, if I cut it shorter, I could put it in a drill and then drill it. So I might make it a little shorter, possibly glue it in there and just whack it with a hammer and take it off with heat. Or I'll just put a couple little pins in there just to get it to stay. But yeah, I can put this on the grinder and then just probably do it by hand. I'm gonna try it by hand. If I screw it up, I know how to make these now. And I figured out how to use the cutoff tool. I figured out how to slow down my lathe, get it at 150 RPMs, and use the cutoff tool. I'm getting better. Learning, but hey, you only learn by making mistakes, so let's make some mistakes. Yeah, I'll show you what I've done after this. Thanks for watching.